Hey everyone, welcome back. If you want to create an RBC Online Banking account directly from your phone, here's how to. First, open the RBC mobile app and then tap on the option to enroll or sign up for online banking. And then enter RBC client number, your personal details, and follow the on-screen instructions. After that, create a strong password and choose security questions carefully, as these are used for account recovery. Verify your identity using the code sent to you on your registered phone number or email. Check your SMS if you have entered phone number, or check your email. If you do not see the code here, click on the three-line option in the top left corner, scroll down, check it in spam, also in your junk or trash folder, sometimes they end up there. Now verify your identity using the code sent to you. Once completed, you can log in immediately using your new credentials. After signing up, enable biometric login for faster and safer access, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick tips.